So we are going to install OpenShot's video editor software. So I'm going to show you how you can install it. So first of all, you are going to select your favorite browser. Here you're going to select a Chrome browser. After that, you will be entering OpenShot's editor. As you can see here, OpenShot's video editor. After that, click on enter. After that, you will see a first link over here like this. That is from www.openshot.org. OpenShot video editor free open. So I'm going to click on this. But you will see your interface like this. As you can see, it is from OpenShot video edit. You will see a few options over here: features, product, donate, support. We are going to select this downloads. As you can see, it has a recognized my operating system, that is Windows 64-bit. If you don't know what is your operating system, like sometimes it might be 32 bits or sometimes it might be 64 bits. So for that, go on this Windows option, search about. Here you will see in this about your PC systems settings permission, whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. In most of the cases it might be 64 bits. Select this one, downloads. As you can see, it is showing thank you for downloading. You can see over here it is downloading automatically, as I already have downloaded it. So I'm going to open the folder, open show in folder, open shots version 3.3.0 64-bit.exe, show in folder. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So we are going to install it. So double click on this icon. You will see a prompt message like this. Click on yes. It will tell you to select the language, to choose English as the language. I accept the agreements, that is terms and conditions. This is the default location of the OpenShot software. If you don't have a good reason to change the location of this software, don't change it. So we are keeping the location as it is. After that, click on next. It will these two options are checked. It a desktop shortcut. So we want a desktop shortcut. So we are going to click on next. Click on install. Again click on install. So it is been installed. Launch OpenShot video. Yes, we want to launch it. Click on finish. As you can see, successfully been downloaded. It is showing you welcome. Want this some kind of tutorials, you can click on next, but we are going to hide this tutorial on demo. Videos and audios and images will be there, and here you're going to edit it, and here you will see the video preview, so you can play and pause it. So we are going to see one example of it. Just click on import file and just select this one, video playback. Click on open. So it will come over here. Double click on this, hold it and drag it over here. First drag. Okay, you will see the preview over here. You just click on here. Correct. So that's how you install OpenShot's video editor software, and comment whatever problems you face. Thanks so much.